are still struggling, and we did go through a period where there was a lot of that risk money went into the tech. In the last few years, a lot of the technology investors have enjoyed those gains. Now we're finding that some of that money has come back into resources, although it's not really at the exploration end, which we'd like to see, and it's now more in the development stage. The companies best positioned to get finance are the ones with the strong management team and that already have a strong share registry. They've got a project that's into the development stage, and then it just might need some financing and some bank debt included in that, and then go through to the point that investors can see where the cash flow is coming from. Well, the IPOs are always most difficult because you're starting with a blank piece of paper. But then once you do an IPO and you can build a really good share register in that by putting a good mix of institutions and also retail investors on that, then the follow-on raisings become quite easy. So then you can easily do a rights issue or placement once you've already done the hard work of building your share register at that IPO stage. And then you can build that by putting on further institutions and start going global with the institutions through the placements and rights issues as you go forward. We're seeing a bit of interest in zinc still from investors. There hasn't been many opportunities to really get exposure of that, particularly on the ASX. We had Red River going quite well, but New Century's it's just started producing now. But otherwise there hasn't really been much opportunity for Australian investors to get exposure, so zinc is something that they'd be interested in seeing a new project come to market, but also gold. There's always investor interest in gold, and everyone likes a good gold story right through the cycle. So yeah, we'll be seeing opportunities in gold come to market soon. Well, IMARC's a great opportunity to bring the investors together with the companies that need funding. And my job is as a broker or as an investment banker is to connect some of those larger investors with those companies that need the funding, and IMARC's a great opportunity to do that. The companies can present their story and explain where they're up to. Investors can make a decision based on looking at 100 or so different companies, which ones they want to spend more time with, and then get together at the conference and do that deal. So it's a great opportunity to get deals done in the space.